All right, this is round 2 of the rust laser. Pearson's going to be our operator today. So we're going to show you how the rust comes off of an old air brake drum. It was off a drive-in trailer too. So a lot caked on there. Not that you would necessarily finish one of these to paint it, but if this was a frame or something else you're working on, we'll show you how well this thing works. Just eats the rust off instantly. So that didn't take long at all. That was less than a minute of work. If you were working on that with a wire wheel brush or something else, you'd be on it forever. You'll see there's a little bit of like slag left on it. But other than that, I mean, that's paint ready metal. You'd have to smooth it out maybe if you were really trying to get a good finish. But when it comes to just removing rust without damaging the substrate or the underlying metal, it does an awesome job. Great job, Pierce.